Wow, fried rice. Japanese siomai. And the steak of Aaron. We cook some macaroni. Yeah.
And then you got a pie crust.
Chicken pop.
Fighting against Great Britain, and in the course of their fighting, they start to work together in a confederation or an agreement.
Ooh.
Oh, you hit it.
Yeah.
A little bit high, I think.
Did good. Practicing to go deer hunting.
See all the frost on the grass?
Yeah. It looks like there's a snow already.
Yeah, it's just cold, cold frost. Kind of pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
When the sun hits. So the sun will hit it and then
Then it will melt later.
Yeah, it'll just drip off. And it does have something to do with it. It's got to be that cold. The snow, but see, that guy's got a wood fire going in his shed. So that's
Oh,
smoke
yeah.
From a wood stove.
Wood stove.
Yep.
Frost. All become white. So, nandito na naman tayo guys sa school ko. Hinatid ako ni Eli o siya lang mag-isa. For today's video guys, gumawa ako ngayon ng dumplings. Bali, binili ko lang yung wrapper guys sa Asian store. Yung ginawa ko palang mga palaman dito guys na mga meat at iba pang ingredients, ay yan pa yung tira nung paggawa ko ng Japanese siomai kasi halos magkaparehas lang naman sila ng ingredients. Medyo nahirapan lang ako guys sa pag-fold kasi parang frozen kasi yung dumplings wrapper. Tumigas kasi itong dumpling wrapper guys. Napunta kasi siya sa freezer, dapat doon lang siya sa chiller. Hindi ko alam kung bakit napunta doon. Siguro na-move lang doon. Kaya parang hindi maganda yung yung result ng wrapper. Nagka-crack kasi siya guys kapag i-fold mo. Pero overall okay naman siya. At marami na akong nagawa din. So, bali, bagong Asian food naman ito para matikman nila dito sa bahay. Gustong-gusto kasi nila guys na maggawa ako or magluto ng mga Asian foods. Kasi interested sila sa kung ano yung lasa niya. Mostly naman sa mga niluto ko ay nagustuhan naman nila. Yung Japanese siomai lang yung medyo hindi masyado gusto nila kasi gawa ng seaweeds. Hindi nila masyado bet yung seaweeds. Pero yung biyanan kong lalaki ay okay lang sa kanya. Then, every Saturday naman guys, meron akong online class about sa history ng America. 3 hours siya from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Makakatulong kasi ito guys for naturalization na interview. 100 questions kasi siya guys. So, kailangan masagutan mo ng tama. At mostly about history ng America. Bali, need siya guys. For naturalization, kailangan magstay muna ako sa US ng 3 years. Free online classes naman siya, kaya ni-grab ko na para may idea naman ako about sa history ng US. Madalas makikita nyo naman guys, yung aking biyanan na babae ay mahilig talaga siya magluto. Mahilig siya gumawa ng mga homemade recipe. Sobrang dami niyang dito guys, recipe books. Kung tutuusin, mas gusto ko yung luto niya kumpara sa mga sa mga order sa restaurant sa labas. Masarap kasi siya guys gumawa at magluto ng mga pagkain. So bali yan na rin yung aming bonding moments. Tinuturuan niya ako guys sa mga ibang recipe like mga dessert at ibang pang mga pagkain na American foods. So yung ginagawa pala niya guys is turkey pot pie. Sobrang sarap niya. They're looking. Come here!
Well, actually, the one looks bigger. The one that
Here?
that must be the. See how their white tail goes up?
Yeah.
That means they're sensing danger. That'd be you probably.
Oh, we're not danger.
I think that must be the mother because that one's bigger and that one's big enough to
mother?
shoot. I think that looks like it's probably the mother. It's bigger.
Oh, if their tail is going up, they sense something.
Yes,
Oh.
And then they'll go running.
with their tail up in the air, and it looks like a white flag going through the woods.
All four corners of their camper, and they never have mice in there.
That far or not, but
And your hand should not be shaky.
yeah.
If shaky.
Why it's rolling on you?
Bullseye. Ooh,
Oh, you hit it.
yeah.
A little bit high, I think.
Did good. Practicing to go deer hunting.
What are you cooking, sir? So fancy. That's a steak.
With the steak, we're gonna cast iron grill.
Wow. Aaron will having a steak dinner. Mine is Japanese shomai.
And you got fried rice over there too.
And I got a fried rice, my leftover rice from the other day. Aaron has a mushroom. Only two of us. Only two of us. Wow.
With that garlic
Garlic.
and butter. But I need more butter.
Butter? You need more butter?
I need more butter. The pan gets hot. So you kind of like get that garlic and the butter. It's like kind of melted up there. It's called butter basting.
I'm gonna have some bite of this.
Yeah. Alright. You probably have to open up the oven for me.
The oven? Sure. This one on the
The top, yep.
Ooh. Smells good.
What are your shut-offs?
Yummy dinner.